mawusi baka vamawo ono edi animu no anwumre yi wode nsam bi atudwa ebra ye jai woni ne nua ba ko no so hwe ewiase de mfofon ye ne ho nyina no efira krante ene sen asema wo kan Ghana fo nti na ontie ne yie pa de nti ama ne ho aye ahi ama obi kura mpese obete ne din wo kasa ne yagye na no asi bone nyina no no kura wo kantira na ono se de Ghana fo ho esi akire wo mo no sabi ba akofo edidi mi a ekuro mu nya de nye sa ye nti nsam ono hu re obeka no eno a ne abo so aye twini eno kura de enya ne ya no kura wo kantira no kura de enya ne ya na mbom ade no de ma na sa nyina kura ayese omampani na nado dankwa ekufo ne aban mu mpanifo bi National Security Minister Yewura Albert Kandapa mo nyina kabom ekoye meeting eyese enkomo tam sika boom e de ama no sebaya enka dede bebrebe a wo ya ne Ghana ha se no obeja ne wose wo no wallahi enya de so obeja dede ne da se efam kosoro masoro ba fam kura dede no wonye no mpe obi asika no kura no obeka.
This is something I have spoken to before. A lot of people who have followed me may be aware of this. And I've made it clear, unknown to the government, we have recordings of the reach out. That while I was in the UK, the National Security Minister called and invited me to come into the country for a sit-down. The government offered to pay for my flight in order to meet here in Ghana. This was something that was never disclosed to the public. That we met at a safe house, and the demand was for us to stop this activity. This was way before even the first phase of the country demonstration. Were offered not only money but appointment that if we agreed to stop this, they were going to go where we're going to be free to do whatever we want. But the most important thing is not to bring citizens out onto the street. And when we rejected that categorically, Kandapa, the National Security Minister, said directly threatened by anyone. Even where we stand now, the very first phase of the country billboard went up here. In less than 2 hours, it was pulled down on the orders of the government. The service provider told us that they received so many calls from elements in the government who are threatening him that he was never going to get any business from the government if our billboard stands up. It came down with less than 2 hours. That's it. In a democracy, we cannot even put up a billboard. So this dedication materials we're going to be using today. This is something I have spoken to before. A lot of...
Ania etwagu yewura Oliver Baka Vamawo ena yatene nkan abusua enansa no de kamia kwakoye se amanfo ni abre nti eda so agiremu e wo sansem no kakera na ene pani kwahade e wo 37 lorry station honom anopa no agurade a na esewani ensa wo kakere we are marching to Jubilee House, we are marching to Jubilee House sa omo kan sam sa ena God bless our homeland nam de say omo tonyum no sa national anthem itwagu na wo de hwade ne ti ade ensem bi a akoso nyina kire say enema nkoye nti ompese omo kọ Jubilee House no ko busa aban na sem wo de ti say enema sikoso abusia wei eyen samwa enne na kire se esewani ensa wo ka kire kra na 37 lonely station honum na edomi ewa na otiamu sa no na ewo sansensem no mu no na amanfo bia fira se so a wo kasa de fa ho na ene ebra wo ye wo ye kire nyina mu no na ensuo to na ensuo to na ensuo to na enso so mo se boa ensuo na nya to no nkra de ato dia ma wo mfi se nyankopɔ kura no efo ade omo ye no so nyankopɔ kura hunu se ade na ode ma na do dankwa akufo ado no onye ne yie nti o to nsupa ade agu adwuma na omo ye no so adwuma ben ya demonstration no amanfo kasa o na wo de yentie wo mo yi
Yes, Thomas, I'm a customer. I don't want to pay. Fala, Professor, you come by. We are all eating, don't we eat? Professor, hi. How do you want us to produce food to feed the whole country? Start Ghana like this for us. The factories all over my place dead. Yes, cattle, we have cattle. For us to produce value in the cattle is dead. Tomatoes, they are rotten. It can't come. It can't.
abusia wei eye nuanom omo se omo makwa na omo ko buso mampani na do danko akufo ado asem ensam a wode ma ensam trofo eno no na ne nyina mu nsoso no na ema ne bi nsoso na hwere de animu ema no a kire se be ma ntime ma na omo hwere de kan no ye nua baba ko e fe ne se afia wono so nsam a wode ma ensam trofo no eye tietia sei.
We need help. Situations are worsening. We need help. Please, the government should help us. It's becoming too much. People are dying. The roads are bad. The hospitals are not working fully. Like even the policemen, where they stay, like so many things, it's not good. It doesn't matter if you're low class, middle class, high class. It's gonna affect you one way or another. I promise you guys. We just want people to know what's going on, so that people will not feel like we're comfortable living inside the uncomfortableness, because we are not comfortable. Everybody's suffering. It's crazy. Musicians are suffering.
Abusia emana de omo ho agemu ye nua ba afia notchel na ye te ne nkan wo ye dwumtuni na wo wi enu ano ye ntu ye ne hwe ni fafa so honom so a hwan nie el ei na de se de enwom no mo ba hyehyɛ foro ha na o se bra nya enwom ne ye ba hyehyɛ no ha o ye ni bra bre no e kyɛn se de ye ba hyehyɛ enwom wa ha na tie el nso ai.
I'm here to show solidarity, to show support, to actually put actual boots on the ground. We can do so much online. I think us being present here sends the message across that we are not here to play. I'm a Ghanaian and I tend to travel a lot. And whenever I come back to Ghana, I realize that things have actually deteriorated to a certain extent, and it's been chipping away at the economy, at the whole general space for a very, very long time. So I'm getting worried about it. I'm getting worried for the generations to come. I'm getting worried about the children, my children, and, other things that are going to come after this. It's going to impact them greatly. So this is the time for us to actually make that effort to make something change. Something has got to give, and it's up to us. It's up to us, the celebrities. It's up to us, the people, to put actual boots on the ground and let the powers the powers that be know that, look, we are actually thinking and we have the power to make change happen. Preposterous. It should not happen in any type of democracy. But I think these things happen just to inform other people of the depths of the problems that we are having right now. Peaceful demonstrations have no place, they have a right to demonstrate, and no policeman, no authority has a right to disrupt that.
Abusia Ghana dwumtini ye fe ne se el na ye te ne nkan na se efi afia ho no na e ba el afia nsan kɔ efia ɔdɔ so hɔ yi efia ɔdɔ so ne so ɔno so do de ne ho jim na efia ɔdɔ de ne de na kyerɛ sɛ wɔ kan se bi akyerɛ nuanom celebrities ahodoɔ ya ɔwɔ Ghana ha se no ɔmo asɛm ɔwɔ kan nyina no ɛyɛ sɛ sɛ yɛ sɛ bia wɔyɛ kyerɛ wɔ paa ne a sɛ nanka wɔnim sɛ ne nuanom bi ɛyɛ hufoɔ saa bi wɔ hɔ anum dua gagai na onyanya iPhone bi ano aso asi ne so wɔse yɛ nya no ne adeɛ sɛ num dwan hufoɔ nko a nyanya mo bi wie a na sɛ noa no na wɔsa nya 5G ne music kura ka ho de a na kyerɛ sɛ gagai nko a na wɔyɛ network ne so ɛnɛ na yɛ kasama Ghana no wohunu obi a na wɔkyerɛ sɛ saa hwehwɛ ne mu ne saa hu ɛne saa nsɛm no ɔmɛgya ɔmo nyae na ɔmo nyinaa mfa ɔmo ho nyim na Ghana yɛ wiɔ ɛne yɛ nyinaa yɛ hwehwɛ.
A big deal, or they're making it so difficult for us to just protest and just speak on the things that bother us as Ghanaians. I don't see why it needs to get physical with police arresting and stuff, but I really expect that today everything goes smooth and we're able to protest and demonstrate because it's all right. I mean, we're not going to stop. We're going to fight to the end. What happened yesterday doesn't have to happen. it's unnecessary. We're not violent people. You know, we're peaceful people. Ghanaians in general, we're generally peaceful people. So we're just trying to have a peaceful protest and demonstrate. You know, so hopefully what happened yesterday doesn't happen again today. And if it does happen again today, we're going to be here tomorrow. Of course, you know, yesterday social media was actually going crazy. You know, a lot of the celebrities, they started to speak up. Hopefully they will show their face, because I put it to them, like, you guys on Twitter saying you support us, why don't you come out and actually be at the forefront? You know, don't hide behind the computer and be at the comfort of your homes. I could have been home sleeping, but I'm not. I'm here because I care about the Ghanaians. I care about the people, and I want to be the example that I want to see. So hopefully we will have more of the people in power, the celebrities here to support, because their children matter. The future of their children matter. They matter. So they should come out here and support us, because Charlie, Ghana is not just for me, it's not just for you, it's for all of us. And if Ghana gets better, it's better for our future. And
Abusia yenuaba efia odona yete nenkan. Like I said, demonstration be kwa na wie ye de borofo ahodo ye beti ne kurom ha no enya asem kuma akwa asem morofo ma ne no muti kurom ha pa na yenko yanim wonsam foforo mai na ye hwesa de niema esitie na owura Raphael wosai boache enchan ana yekọ wodi de dwuma ewo kotoka awiemsen ginabia we obi a wopade ewo wiem a wohunu se ensuo mu ene de yekeka ko nyina no na wabonsam twerofo amane ana wo se ewiem nya clear sao ewiem nya clear kra yente se do si kyerɛkyerɛ mu ai
if fama bi na ahyehyɛ wɔ epueye FM hɔ na eastern borders so between Togo and Ghana nti edru Togo ahye so hɔ no mu a yɛhwɛ anim sɛ within the next hour or two bedru Ghana hanom na ba binom te sɛ ada ne mpɔtɛmɔ no deɛ ebedi kan kra enya mframa kakra ebewom na nsuo no so ano ebetimi ayɛ den kakra wɔ mu deɛ nti ɛno ɛne yɛbɔ etiefo ɛkɔkɔ ɛsɛ saa nsuframa na ɛba no ɛyɛ na yɛada yɛn ho so na ankwankofa oye ne biara amfama sacha e bia bemu nso ibebo moden se asobeti na etiefo na ahwefo nso aso etimiati nimu se edachna Saturday no nso so no ya dia science na ye hu no wo boni beka se the atmosphere nimu no nso so kire se edachna nso so no enya dia ewia no bebo bebre ye hwe nimu se so kakra fe ewia ko na nwumre so no se Saturday the southern half of the country no ebetimi asan enyenye njusen sakse ebi ambem dia na se de ye hu no dia meche se eno nsuso no ade dachna ebetimi asan nyenya kakra akwa akusi se ade ebesa dachna sem na meken memom efi Sunday any Monday kono ne fi honum no ya sign de beto aso nsuso aba beto etiefo enim meche se bosome September yewo mu no insutobra na se bonifa ne se the minor rainy season enumo na yesi omo kuma se nom ne mpotemo no nyina na se koforudua no ne ade bonifa ne the middle sector of the country no and not quite the idea omonye nsuo na no panyi ne fi ahomachen ba bi so a egugu e saa miamia ni nyina ene ye no mo etifi mantem na se simu omonsuso egusu a etoto ho a mmom ye hwe animu esema akoma ko hyehyɛ ne de eba ano ebeye din
opani wodi ne dwuma e wo kotoka wiemhyɛn gyina bia ye fɛ no Raphael wɔsɛe boache ne nsɛm a wɔde man nsɛm twerɛfo ɛno nti wo pia na waboaboa ho nsɛm wɔde tu dwa ne baabi a wonam ene baabi a wo hwɛ no wadaro ma baabi a wo bɛfa so no wahyɛ no so sɛ opani no ene Ghana fo akasa nti wo pia na waboa wo ho kane Auditor General Daniel Yaw Domelevo ena kasa yi ene wo kyerɛ sɛ omampari ne nado dankwa kufa do pa na kasa saa no sɛ ai sɛ omampari ne nado pa na wo kasa saa no adan yi a wo se omampari ne nado dankwa kufa do de atodwa kyerɛ sɛ wo pɛ aban pa ya aba akunwa yi so aban A aban B aban C na abeduru wono na nado dankwa kufa do so na obia ni ho gese bia obia wonye no kwafo wo hwɛ niema wode agu akwam omanwumaku ahodo ayi adwuma obia yi adwuma sade fata ya wontwintwa na kwam onfa ne tumi kyam katabo no emehunahuna nipa no sa asɛm no enam bonkum kura fafa nifa ade ne yetuntum kura kasa ekɔkɔ no wɔse wagya wo bia office of the special prosecutor mo ye omadwuma wioko mo ye omadwuma ene atraye bia batimi aboa market asese proye kankan ene dwirim omatimi akon obia ye na dwuma ne sa ye nti obia mo no ho abaso kura wono a bebo na baso yewura Yaw Domelevo na wo kasa oman mu manimfo enkamom ko na nhyemude bi ekoso ewo mfimfim mantam Cape Coast ana wode nsasem wei atudwa Yaw Domelevo.
Corruption place in our society. Just go to our hospitals and you will see the poor level of service delivery and the low bed syndrome is eating us as a people, and we are looking on. Let's fight. We are not angry enough. At independence, Ghana was started as ahead of Singapore and Malaysia, etc. Go there and now and see. You will regret that again. This dismal performance are celebrated by our shameless leaders. They want us to hail them for this mediocre performance. I don't think we can accept this. And want the leadership of this country. That if you push us to the wall, you see the animal in us. Now, if you are a friend of the government, then you can do anything. And you can be sure that you will get away with it. But if we do that, then no one is safe, isn't it? Because once I'm taking my enemy to, my enemies are also taking me to the place. So we all have to be careful. So I call for commercialization of the fight against corruption. We should amend the law just as we were able to amend Article 88 to get OSP out of it. The same way we should also do and get individuals the authority to be able to, maybe they may go through some recognition like licensing or registration, and they can set up a committee or a team or a firm that will investigate corruption, so that immediately the Auditor General comes out with his report, they start going through, and then they list their candidates, investigate, and then go and collect the money to make something for themselves. However, a greater portion comes back to the state.
Neya etwagu ye kane Auditor General yewura yaw domelefo na yetene nkan enwumre no nsia brem ka sire ne wo hwe Sompa TV ye live e wo Facebook na YouTube no so eye adwuma ye nuanom information centers bebre eta ye che enwumre ye nyina ka bomu a ye de nsam no ma adese ya edi akoniaba na ensam no hwan esi form saa nso a taxi drivers trotro drivers pragia abobo yem efie montimu adwumam ekwan ho babia yɛda mo nyina mo ase na wote yɛn ka wɔ Santimantan Kropon Kumasi mu a ɛyɛ Sompa 93.1 FM Sompa 93.1 FM sɛbia wowɔ bono na afei nso so hafo ne mpɔtamu a ɛha ɛyɛ Sompa 98.9 Sompa 98.9 ya ɔmo nso ɛteɛ mu yaba o yaba anu achi wo kwan kransa tachi ma ne mpɔtamu a ɛhɔ ɛyɛ bono na po yɛ fam ɔmo so team yaba o yaba yɛgina ne yaka bo manwumre yɛ team na yɛ sew sɛ anwumre no nsia brem kase na yeguso a yɛ sane ne sanyansapɔ ɛde ma fei yɛ koya nimu ɛwɔ ensam foforo emu wasamufo pani ɛde insight democrat no yɛwura kwasipra ose mosa ɔno na ɛkasai ɛbra dwumadie bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ University of Ghana na do frɛfrɛ ɛhyehyɛ dwumadie no na ɛyɛ Kwame Nkrumah Center for Ideology Governance and Leadership ɛna tintim saa anhima no ne nyinaa no ɛyɛ sɛ wɔhwɛ wɔsagye for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah atoko afrɛ papa ne botaye na niso ade hu akanie honhom ya wogyaye no yɛbɛyɛ den na yafa yɛbɛyɛ den de abɔbra yɛbɛyɛ den ahyehyɛ ne yie yɛbɛyɛ den dodɔ ho aprapra ho ahyehyɛ wura wɔ ho na timi aboa akɔyɛ nim ɛno mom na yɛwura Kwasi Prat Mausa wɔde ato dwa ya wo kyekyerim sɛ adeɛ bi yɛ ne nwanwa na asɛm ni
as this morning, as over the last decades, there has been some noises about some so-called Agenda 2060 something. And I wonder, who put together that agenda? For what purpose? Why 2060 something? I just wonder. And I wonder for good reason. Africa is in turmoil. Africa is in crisis right now. We have reached the point where some African leaders actually think that the best way forward for our continent is for us to wage war against each other for the restoration of failed leaders and so on. The economic crisis in Africa is real. and it's daunting and so on. We need an agenda for now, not 2063. The struggles of the African people must begin now. The effort to reshape Africa is an urgent task for now, not tomorrow, not the year after, and certainly not 2063.
Yewura Kwasi Pratt wamananso hɔ a wɔsan ɛba fam kakra na wɔka ne nyina no na wɔkyerɛ akannie honhom sɛdeɛ medi kan ɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ tifi no ɛma wɔsɛ wɔsagye fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na dwempɔ ne susuɛ ne botaeɛ ne so ade hunu ne dayɛ so ɛne ne botaeɛ a na ɔpem ɛde akɔ n'anim wɔ no yɛ ne wɔnka ateasefo ho biom a saa bere yi nka wɔnya mfie no wɔ ha ɛne edunan no ɛne wɔni hɔ biom yɛn ɛdeɛ na yɛbɛtumi ayɛ na ɔkasa akyerɛ akanifo ahodoɔ yɛ wɔ bibimam sɛdeɛ wɔn su ne wɔn ban ɛno so siteɛ.
There's a raging war between the National Democratic Congress, largest opposition political party, and the New Patriotic Party, the governing party. And what is the war about? The war is about the producer price of cocoa. And this says when we were in power, we did better than the NPP. We gave the cocoa farmer more than 60% of the world market price. The NPP says we have given them now 3,000, 1,000 something, and so on. We have done better than them and so on. The argument is not about the producer price of cocoa. The argument ought to be about how the cultivation of cocoa for many hundred years has benefited the African people. That is what we should be looking at. It is not about the producer price. As we speak, in Ghana today, cocoa production has fallen from 1 million tons per annum to about 500,000 tons per annum. Why? Why? We need to answer that question. If you pay farmers 60%, 70%, 80%, and the decline in production continues, what are you doing to the farmers? And we all know that the main problem for the fall in the production of cocoa is illegal mining. The cocoa farms are being cut down. They are being cut down on a regular basis. Farmers are not able today to buy fertilizer, to buy inputs, and to pay labor to improve their farms. So they are selling their farms to galamsey operators, and they are devastating the cocoa farms and so on. This battle over producer price is a completely useless battle which does not tackle the real problems that faces the farmer. There's a raging war.
Sompa FM. Etwagu ye osamufo pani edema inside Democrata no. Yewura Kwasi Pratt na samesu ye gyina so na ya home so tawu. Ye ba ensam no pia ka akira ye de be soso de ama.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nko a wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho for 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mu ye sciatica expert
Suma onyamija no beso. Oman Panyini yaw edubuache. Onyame akoa. Yeah, we pray. What it to me asene. We are food for thought. Adishie nyina. Any ankwankwa bi a how done so. Says September Liberty Conference. Epepaso. Na pepaso Maranatha Evangelistic Ministries. Kumasi Harper Road. Asamu ayakasa ho. Ye free asuma fosa. Etie di ono mochi. Temumi enu. Akopem yensa. Acts chapter 28 verse 2 to 3. Shaneson. Say we a burning of arrows. Part 2. Anopanunsia pepepepe. Kopem bra ho kunkun bejaye. Eye dame 30th September. Kumasi atum. Harper Road. Ajum to fo edi jum to. Beje jumedie ya papa. Minister Sete Champo. Yama mi Mabel Ochre. Any resident worshipper, Minister Kwame Jedu, Wabet Sojom, Ajijumedia Papa, and Trafi, so how be those, Amani Bedaus, or Dan Nebidaus, a really Onyamidi to me, Amani boy, or mine, Jow Edubuachi, Nasadan, or Bronsamso, or Pnawbenya Pa, Esan say, Onyanko Pong, Jabram Hunich, not soon edited to Quafram, or Quadio Quadumam, Cancania or Dan Sebo, Wapay Yachu, Yamema. Edia who fed ye Ebekoye fee. Bra Liberty Conference September edition. Oh glory hallelujah.
Abusuya da wase na yama wakwa abaye ko ensem foforo emu. Wanabo Stephen Amua wabonoma Nestika orina kasei. Ena no pan ade ache be adwumade no so no ne nsem twerofo edi enkomo. Wapani no eye wosoafo abedi akira ohedwadie na afenso firi dwuma ho nsam so na wode atodwa ya wakata Ghana fo nyina se ebeya ya ye nto ye boase e ma aban sabi aban no ne tirimo nya den sa de Ghana fo bi e kan no aban no wodwere nipa ho nti Ghana fo nsam a wo kan no nyese bia wo kota manyokuo bi achi na wo beye dede wo batiatem se ne wo bia di ho no mo batimi aka se enema ye pepe pese de Ghana fo nyina hwehwe no na susu eye ntoboase ayen kakran aban no obeye nti Ghana for enkan yakomanto yeyem
magistrate court railway workers medical consultants umi na strike and niema po and movie about 300%. Ya baby a coffee and niema fi we nyina to woman ye ne ho beto yi no dan chen covid enkrofo antiase ne kan di hope ya ben na Ghana ha bi a play e ya ho kira aban bi si obi antene fi enso metu omoka. And we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. We had a friend impaired productivity for over 22 months in this country. Impaired productivity, a natural situation. Ama enunchino sabi and performing private sector nipa over 40,000 COVID-19 and are buying revenue falling in a revenue shortfall of about 11 to 12 billion. 11 to 12 billion. That's what already crying. Taxes, the whole country, direct tax about 2 billion, out of about 32 million Kenyans. And taxes is corruption from the top 2 renowned steps among businessmen also under declare goose. You cannot attribute that to even one particular government because a national issue will be this and Senna and Fatana SL. If you have to consider the answer, then the correct actually that. We know can say, when you know, what do you say? How can you say free school? And yet, because which we care about school fees, and can you and then Afibia can average 100,000 and a better fee. They say can fear was soon influence we can produce about 700,000 youth. Senior school, free school, go many BNT. So much fee already cried or man, maybe your problem with insecurity. Young to need money. Now, no, soccer match, I cry with 22 and Hukum. But the 22, we are sure I cry with. Over here in the background, no any papilla and here, and I'm school paper. It will need to be very careful the way you perceive among your saying to sell mine near fata because if you know Mandala make us so much and cannot correct. Let's all pay a show. Okay. Maybe this in the say, now on TV show said, considered in a free fee, and now you're actually running in a yeah, look, and then between someone and I think in someone and I think Apega and a quite very good. Well, you see, if you near the constituency, there's no place is a quite but a baby anyone since 92. why are quite wait massing Kufa? It's a fact. You can go and check. There are a lot, but the problem with Yene Yabai our inability to develop proper communication and information management framework. A cascading effect. A cascading effect along the social stratification. Remember, I say sabi gonko school and just when you because the answer saying, but then TRC was saying who is different from me. Then TRC saying who is different from what we. And TRC can buy also information management here properly to make provision for all these groups or classes so that we be able to chance massive. I don't know, and for taking on to advantage. I'm a no man can summer the enemy, the woman in no. I'm a bang, sabi. Listen.
Na we krano and a water say, Nancy Watete. You don't good to fortune say, na Jumano or Moyan on Pesomujai. Na a man for crown no more Jumano, or Pamo if we say, and Neman say, oh, I just say, oh, Fadia free, and call farmers so the bedroom chrome has a year. One Casano, over Tom Mammy, Aton Papa, Aton Abusia Penny, Aton Fia Knama in Aton crying in Akaho, Sicanacura, and so, after say, Utu Naba Communum and says, hey, Yacho, oh yes, hey, Jinaha, hey, Chese, a hard train, na and also so Casadefa home.
No magazine for your argument, you must say, I'm careful, leave me go over the year, and I can't do that. Just good young documents. May carry one problems or money won't do that. And pass it will be what tax system, or how more because one could try bribe in tea, or let me say, I put down what all man should ready for traders and businessmen and co-founders. Papa, they know what they are doing.
Into one album who were no going forward and no, the way forward and no, and the service will be a WOT and
no, we are working on
that. A ton of sumo come up,
something that has happened.
The actions I bet to Kia for money at Ghana for this.
And it is so the honors now is on SEPS immigration because of the GRA. And then the finance ministry is a problem. And we are losing millions of Ghana cedis every month because of tax leakages, because of tax evasion. It media, the Edin Kaya, not any patrol, say, Maria, we have to renew our mindset. There should be mindset revolution. And no, now see a king. Sabra, who wants Sakra, Name Sakra. Yes, the bus stops at former president, His Excellency Mahama, and now present president, His Excellency Nana Danko Kufuadua. Papa, here, hire because woman go into the access, any my phone, get corruption also. And I'm also the phone also cover near my bad. Only child and the declaration of a near moment, but another okay, Okofa near my back, or 30%. Okofa, no, 50%, sorry. And I cover cars about or Tesu, Obaka, or Tesu 30%. The fuel started enjoying, Oman 2 near my boss, and still people were under declaring assets. And as much as me know my again, I was not buying show me no woman. Let's say, baby, I be teaching my baby won't be my mom so far to woman. They still say, almost so more day. Almost on mine, says he can want to say, yes, he declare, Yaniama, near Benyam Fasubu, no man of Bra, and no man of call her JJ, say, because you see, I buy no before to go and sell the bubbles here.
Opania, and no, 18 Komoi. Why am I saying that the man says we are war in Shaya Sobaton Persiano so as Santimantum has say one who can say was swap for the Chida or Hidra D nothing so infinite mountains some so now Tadin and Nestica and it didn't 10,000 anymore. You are Steven Amoa. Now ye quay name Yera Sylvester Sapon Enna Casay Sylvester Sapon Ejamo Edima CPP Amanyo Kuno. Now what I say area se pa de why na sabio onya nantwinamo na numu ntoso obia no mu betoso so wonya nantwie pa wadosrade anwuma yi pa na wo yire pa de bia popo nkwa de ma wo wa me se den ubedi ene sen yewura alan kwadwo kyerematen NPP akansie na wo kɔ no ɛna eduru baabi ne watwe ne ho de afiri mu ye de ka kyerɛkyerɛ mu de akyerɛm na wo so we de se obi dwa wuo no na obi kwa nsɛm wo ye hwam so eye tie obi nka se ba yire enhye nanso nya hyenko ade a why not enti wo de se apai aye fita abedanya wunku ade akokono bebam bode na bu akuma de asa ato ni twa ene sen CPP amanyo kono aye krado den so mu bi o mu nsem a wa etu alanie CPP nie alanie CPP nie ala CPP no mu ko banim nte ye kadwu a o mana kwa baba so beba
to tell the truth. So because CPP who are any budget because any will be to me etna. So including anybody from the NPP or any other political party, as a matter of fact. But however, having said that, we feel say it seems highly unlikely to me. So say Mr. Alan Chamartin say Obabe join the CPP. For the simple original fact, say Mr. Openi Alan Chamartin, one of the top 5 Dankwa Buziais in the country, if I can describe him as such. In a sense, he's potentially a president of Ghana. He's got the qualities clearly. Until recently, he was a leading candidate to be the flag bearer for the New Patriotic Party. And for Mr. Alan Chamartin to leave NPP, Waba CPP, although it will be welcome news at the CPP, that seems pretty strange. Tuesday, Ghanaian Chronicle newspaper say, na Mr. Alan Chamartin, he seemed shocked. He or shocked. I don't know about Honorable Alan Chamartin for a fact. So Obaba joined the CPP. However, Alan Chamartin said he wants to come and get baptized in the waters of Nkumeism. Why not? We are very happy to give him that opportunity.
Sylvester Sapon Amananso Yewura Jonathan Asante watching so ayetini ewo University of Cape Coast mfimfre mantam no mu na wono so asemu a wade to so kire se ewiase de sabi obia ni wono mu ase wadaye ya na nyankopon esane firi soro aba obebutu debi se kwadu abre wo hopa wo se mepebunu aye ma de yenye ne sa wo ba bia de abre na wo sa wugi bidie nti se nyame ya adom na se Yewura Alan Kwadwo Trematen so atwe ne ho de afiri NPP amanyoko no mu a se mo ba kai kra na mo asanum so a yemfa mo nkwa che kakra ne yen kai kai mo Ghana fo bia frase ya wode nsusuye bi kra e ba kire se ibi green ibi green Ivor Kwabra green seat kra no wa hwe ya obeba CPP amanyoko no ana manfo bi nso e kire se sa na be kode na se bia Ivor green seat e ba CPP amanyoko no dia ena bibia kire se Yewura Alan Kwadwo Trematen no ba ko be kura franka no na ba ko so ade akire enam so ma Ghana fo kra hu Alan Kwadwo Trematen ene Ivor Kwabra green seat mobo a na kire se ba ko ayo mampani na ba ko so aye vice Yewura nsam achi ena Ghana fo bi suka se ai amanfo so timi ye nkonta o manfo timi bubu nkonta pa manisi so pepepepepepe na yenti Asante wo kire nsam wo de man sam trefo
Alan as a political figure, you'll be very towering. Due to NPP as a party. And now we'll do so be acquired to say, I can't remember Nanka so me a flag bearer of beating the war about being and be unpopular in terms of the New Patriotic Party. Now the idea said, tomorrow CPP for the anno. And your bad idea as to whether or president candidate, I don't know what constitution actually. Of course, with such a great alliance, for example, the constitution to be an interesting parent in terms of an alliance, but forming an alliance with the CPP in itself will make the CPP more attractive, and then the youth could easily join the CPP.
Abusia ye kwa yanimu ewo ensamfufro ye mohwi na yenko dome kwabenya emrai ya maame adwoa safo asem no wokan na akoye se anwensem wo be kan ene sen ya maame lawyer adwoa safo na wo ya marase bedwene de ma de se ya ewo dome kwabenya na wotu kwan obeba ne obeba kina bosome mienu bosome miensa abosome nan abosome num abosome nsia enson enwotwe enkono edu baako dumienu uba ni bia cannot be reached. The number you are calling is switch off. The number you are calling cannot be reached. Please call later. Sombe kabro fa kire we say sia ena na wo abro kire nti wo frɛ no a ebi wo kura wo pema me no hu no a gise bia wo kɔ TikTok wo so no wo dan no ho na obu no mu no wo ka slants nko a adwo asafo asem Ghana fo ka mama fo kwa kire say ei ma me adwo asafo sabi oba be sia de na nka bia yenim sabi anya ado na woton na mom wonton tuduro na ma me adwo asafo ani eden de woton tuduro ene nya ado agina ade ka ho wagya de se ye wodome kwabenya ho agumra sebedafo ani mu ase agu MPP abanya ni mu ase ena manfo kra bi echete ma me pa ntisen ena opese wo kire eno so enkotwere ho no mo na edintro ya ekoso na busuan adesia bi ye wo dome kwabenya abaton pesua no so ya yewura Elik Pelem Akurugu wono na eye NDC parliamentary candidate e wo dome ho no tete agurade ena ade wo hunu odonyame ka na kira wo hunu da ne ho adwure no papa ena o se wo pa oba pa na ni atepa wa Ghana ha se ya won ka se won kira manfo akiri kura adwo asafo maame no na ni atepa papa wo se hwe ade be chema di ntwona akoso no ena wo ye call tent wo kira tent se ya tent wo dome nyina shoto eno koda nchen make us na nkunwa santan nkunwa na sinyina nkunwa colors red green blue and white ni nyina bi wo honom tie eno o tesa manfo asala e betro mdi no e kombede wo mo yes yogurt fine ice yogurt hey ye ma me adwo asafo se de e che se do ton family ki o wo che family ki de ma de sie ye won pasua no so wudi lab yes wanya bi o ka kwaje open ice na se bi open na yentie elekwela nsam wo de man sam twrofo yi
I'm saying, apart from providing the candidates and the chance for a new registrants, we have me the life to Amaka. And I took it upon myself, say, let's say yogurt, any drinks. It depends on how the day goes by. I feel say when she realized that I started doing that thing, she tried to be relevant. Now, I am as I said. To me, I feel that she's trying to revive her dead political career. The political career, if you're not listening to a neglecting it. So she just wants to be relevant. And so, I'm saying, apart from providing the candidates and the chance for a new registrants, we have me the life to Amaka. And I took it upon myself, say, let's say yogurt, any drinks. It depends on how the day goes by. And I feel say when she realized that I started doing that thing, she tried to be relevant. Now, I am as I said, to me.
Abusuana ya pese ya mamote asemwa yenua ba Elik Pelem Akurugu wono na ejremu ewo NDC amanyokonum ewo domenti afidi ampaye a ebedwa Elik Pelem ene adwoasafo enyasem keto akra enyoda jajagwa na ni nyina mu na Ghana fo bi edi nkomo na mo kire se enti sa adwoasafo nti obetuma ache yogurt pa sa ene oja akotra mu ewo abroti a wo fra me ba yare ena me ba ne kotodwe na nka de be kene de ye na nadwu de me ba na nakora enti me sre mo ba nche se oba ye wo kɔ ho na ase asori nyina be wi akire na wo kan slangs de pa Ghana fo nyina echew se wo sre Ghana fo emfa nche no manfo kura kire se ma me wan hwe ye wo nkobiem ene se ye nua ba yi chechire mu se adwasafo pese wo ye smart na Ghana fo no ahunu ni su ene ne pan abusua ye ti awiro hosem bi ewo atwema nwabiagya north abaton pasua no so ewo Asante Mantamu adankora maako edu asejurube ewo atwema nwabiagya north abaton pasua no so ewo Asante Mantamu na ebra ye nua ba ma Kwame Wuredu ya woye yamane bofo pani ewo Asante Mantam tutumirika ekopie mu wo ho no ene woni edan ajapade ya ahyi ya ma kire se wo piano pa no ade a na ehye wo no nko na sabre da so hye wo mo se abusuafo na dofo anko wo moade a na kire se akoya asem a ebayire de ama adehye no pa wowura Samuel Kowan Ndaka ana woni ye nua ba ma Kwame Wuredu edi enkomo ensam a wode ma Kwame Wuredu no kore nyame anim nie na kire se eyade a ehadwen niema bia seye eye fridge ahodo eniema enam enyinankane aso ansa na atimi aye adwuma enkunwa anwa ahodo eniema yedie ema ho niema mema ho niema enuane ahodo eni sika se wotamu a enye yie ni nyina sedwurobe na ebra opani no na wone yenua ba ma Kwame Wuredu edi nkomo no ni nyina na koya desrede ya kire se ne se adehye ya ewo akuropon ya watwema ngwabiagya north Asante Mantamu anko sa nipa na atifi ho no moade a ene ebayire pa efri se enipa sabi oti efie sei mu de otumi se odoso dankra maako dudie na ke se eyawiro hosempa na yentie yewura Samuel Kowan Ndaka
eno anadwo around 9:15 enyumre ena menya akọ se ejato ha I'm after fire service and I'm in Madrid. I'm out for a month in some beboa. So we are Jana no ding. To want to me and Swano. To tell my fire service bedroom and I say, and I know a schedule bang will be unfat I tell you, show the piano. And no Anna, a show will be beer will be at me. If you're not Shama, and Anna said, you prayer, a good form. And Tina, you said, you've been a band penny for Mokabi Umno. Now, I drew a band him, now more between the Abois, tenants now, Matiano, beer and your pin. Until Mobano payer, I had this ready. They told a band him say, we couldn't na Omebois. Crawford no mote dem a atrenchema ato no srabanya obrasi mu ana o meso yasene kakra edan na de uchiche mu a memfa no se be se 10 rooms aha bia nso ni patim ibu ankwala aka no ho aha sanity anopa me ba na omo etete Crawford container wo ka kwan no omo tete ho nti me no mbedidi nkomo se mafre obi wo Sompa na metie feedback na de bi ano mesa ba ene se nya me nchade a ofre me a maba ye twetwe nkomo yi se no asem ne si wo atwoma akropon atwoma akropon mo bieja no wona asem ne esiye nti adesrede na reto Ghana for na tiefo nyina enim se yesre wo mo a obia kakra obetumi de aboa na aboa tenants no na omo so ho atumi haron kakra na yetumi ahye abrabo ase foforo no na yesre se mo hu ye mobo na kakra betumi de aboa tenants no na mo so tumi move forward no urade enka obi akoma na kakra betumi ayaboa bia no mo so ntimi moa ti yesre mo ahobrase mu a aban so eti yenka yesre na omomode na onso yasene kakra yesre no
abusia eye asefem ne awiraho sempa se ansa na obetumi asi edan na aduru se na enipa etitimu na japade sei ahye no abusia awiraho sem aye kan ewo akropon haya okumasa santimantem akropon ya ewo atwema ngwabiaja no fabato mpasua no so ewo asantimantem yenua bema kwa miwure duadaworoma ena yensaka opani a wote se na wo kasai ru Samuel Kowan Ndaka wono ena ye efiewura papa kafra wate na obaye ne dan enya aba aban panifo daworoma monko emwa o na manko moa enipa bebebe atifie hoyi ene we no nya ndi se ne MPP samu wa obekọ wo moa no na nyame ya adoma bia wo hu mo ba to aba ne bi dia ma wo ese mo anko sa anko no moa anwumire ba bia obeda di obedie di obese nkoda beko school panin so de obese ne nyina so akoye asem a nti atoronchema boafo mpanifo we de wadawroma akropon ye atwema ngwabeja north wasantemantemu na etiemu de efremu yi abusia ye begira we so na anwumire yi ya de na se wo mu nyina so de ama 21st clinic eba ye no eno am ye hunu se ewi asesa amanfo de a omunim eye kasa ane anumdwa obi de ye anumdwa papa obi be dwa na numu anso bla se dede nko a woni what na siatika ba ye no eno am ye hunu se enubra hahama enua hini no se wadwuma pa etumi ye na obi wo hono mo wono no opesika bumunti nubra hahama enua hini no wo frafra no afakofo garon no mankola akonsupa no ahwie fra duro no nti aduro no wonom na namoya mu a wo chihiro wo yamba hwie saa na wo di wo mo ye nubra atem enye wo mo a ekwam na de no no hoye saa 21st clinic am ye hu saa nkofo nyina to 21st clinic say yare nketen no de ya men ha wo kura bebiri na mom de ha wo no ye sciatica de a agurade a de da so yi sciatica no na ye yare na so sisi achi ho bema se bia wote ho ba bia wo bobet no na akire bet no efa no na afa wo to na afa wo serem na aba wo nankokom na aba wa nantu na wo na ye si fom na atra wo na apo no na aba fom agurade ebe ku ato atwene sesi a na ye de no de atie nie uba ye beje wo moja mu hwehwemu ye betwa wo scan papa bi ne ya ma wo herbal treatment papa bi massage papa bi na de mama ni je 21st clinic ho a na otwe bia mete ho a me kwa massage no yese e ma na massage no ewura tenyankropon a 21st clinic doctor pani no wonim krom na ni ate efri se wa heda to no boase na wayiyi ma e na ye nsuso no ukọ 21st clinic ho no mu a kasa bia wo ka bia no ye woni pa bi wo ho no mu a wote wo kasa no wo ka hausa wo ka anwuna wo ka frafra wo ka dagbane wala de keka ho bia no nipa bi wo ho no mu a wo kasa no wote a de wo ka no obe kyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ doctor no ɛna de wo pɛ ne ebe ye de ma wo enti woni bibia ɛka wo kyerɛ nyame ya adomu a for the 21st clinic hospital bi e ben wo ɛna ya to ye branches no so apete enti wo frɛ number na ba bi e ben wo no na waba ho sɛ bom sɛ wo kumase de a ehwia overseas ya ye Ben Alpha Radio wo oboase a Council Quarters wo Court Johnson sɛ wo enkran Dome Market ho me pa cha sunwane nkranza na tachiman frensesi na ba bi e ben wo no ye nkyerɛ na cha no pabra na wo de bohu sɛ kwabena wo hia me kro na mama misika na wutiri mu na edene 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na ya joso anwumre ehiri fa na wonam mesra obomoden pa se ubenya mizo no bi na wonya mizo no a wawie wonya 5G no a wawie abusua de ewomu nie mizo ene 5G no eya no ne ba ko a obia eka ho asem aha ena bra Kevin e de atoso no de atienie mizo no eya no ne a wo kyera nyame ya adomo a ayie ya wo ye enemu basiri pe kwasiara mbekọ na ase asori ana sese asofo no bi nso ye smart pa wo mo a nyame ya adoma kwasere ye na ase asori wo mo da mu ho no bra sofo no kase dotie be kodotie mu a wo wie wo begina so da mu ho nyina no na wo twa na ni kuru wo wo pirita ya mo hwe no o pemizo anom se wa bere o o pemizo anom ana wo pe 5G ni bi enti se wonya bi kwa so da mu ho a sofo no piriti nyina no na mo che mo satira mo adwen wo soro ahini na ben na mo de mizo nam na mo de 5G nam me srawo ba wati mi nua ba jibi koma wukunu na hu nsakyere beba ne nipaduam bema jibi koma no wati na hu nsakyere beba enti mizo ne 5G ne de abusua enya sam keto ne yeka ho asam sa no ena ensoto esofom se ta na asase kasa enti mo amoton drinks e kwan ho traffic light ase ne aye mu nyina no mesramo eye mizo ne 5G na tie manager Daniel e 21st clinic e hwia ha ya enti ukọ hospital kwa ochina na wajibi Bikai supermarket sisa wa abawa post office wa no manye haya tie mama Esther so e Outcome Royal Ventures after Baptist University ye wa buakwa no honom so wo ho PNC Ventures anomanye taxi station ho ye de Charity Hospital Junction no e na din hwane mu na Sachi Enterprise e wasafo abinchi ye de VIP car park no e din hwane mu kwaku akere company limited e wo Kofodua ukọ ho a ubenya bi e na afa so KF King G ukọ honom so so a ubenya bi eno ewo Ndrom Hotel so ame haya mesraw fresh number na guase no Dr. Silas Ojina so friend sesia na wo ma ne ubi sesia 0246 270221 0246 270221 sister ne wo ye de wo ho ya ya bufu pa wo ho ya ya bufu pa efiri se wo da na dwo a be ma na kwa adwuma bre o ma ne na wo de wasum kuru oba bi ho no ma wo be kwa ne empathy takre gu honom no ekese do no aduane e wo twoba wode ko soja ntakra nko a wodi kuru no wode niema wurawura na som no wode niema bi sese ne ba bi kese eye koko na house ano bo onso a koko ha nyina so no na ayamtim de bia ne se hwesoro ze ya ne yemu atim ontimi nkoche abrewa tie koko nso eba wo so amfifi boni firi wo beka se ato wadu wonni ahoto ne ani je kwa abrabonum koko betete papa sisi yade be ma pa de hadwen se fia da duru na wo sisi ya wo ya bra wa hwe ya wani nka abrabo mo nka wo de nka nya wo ya kura doa da na se ban da bia na fia da wo ko fie na wo sisi sa ya wo ya de a ene ya je duro hye wo botom sisi a nom genom na wo nduru fie no na ya adwuma no nyina awie kwaji bi wo Kolinak dane heba Mr ne Apidank mesrawo ayam timni koko ni sisi yade de last stop koko master 3 heba center na de duro na ba 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 abusua mesraw wodi ani ye stroke honam ya wa poso sisi yade aharawa wo brebo yare akro ankro aya Universal Natural Clinic na de wo munie atonso S line ya ye ben bonsuom ho atonso S line ye be bonsuom typhoid ulcer stomach problems gonorrhea syphilis nom ani awo na wo pe bema ye mbre wo mpam bema wo pese wo tre wasiem wo pese wo tutu a ekwa akiri pa kum sono kum tromonum kum wansane ne adoa ne de keka ho nyina na universal natural clinic GB doctor ho kyerɛ nyame yɛ adom a wokɔ a wo se kwabra kɛse sɛ memra wo de wonya duru ya ɛno ano doctor universal obɛyɛ adwuma no kama de ama wo atonso S-line ha ya yɛ bɛn bonsuom hɔ 0556 224102 0556 224102 na ɔmasawo yareɛ abusua yɛde mmosi wɔ ha na anwummerɛ yi Sompa TV so ni Sompa 93.1 FM wote yɛnka Sompa 90.7 ɛwɔ Nkoranza Bono Pro FM Sompa 98.9 ɔmo so wɔ hafo na afɛ so bono ɛne ne mpɔtam yɛn nyinaa ne yɛaka bɔ mu a yɛduanom centers bebree ne taxi driver trotro drivers nom pragia aboboya efia ahodoɔ mu ɛkwan ho mo nyinaa mo ka bɔ mu a yɛn nyinaa no ɛyɛ adwuma no menkwa meka saa na wote yɛn nso so sɛ mo nka ho a ɛnyɛ yie aseda wɔ mu yɛn kɔma ewura asante yɛboa Benedict kuku a akosua somua sofomami premier ni Libya Boga na ya oboama akosua ejewa kodie na afa so bra Kelvin ene Benis ene abusuafo nyina eye o mafamu dia nana kwabana kese ne one man contractor menko a mede nsam no bra so abre de e do besi ha na asem mpenipa nipa ene pe ne ho asem ya da wase ama wadwo